evening. This is Mario with MarioThinkPlanner.com. And tonight's topic is the different personalities. When you're trying to grow up your business, how many of you have realized that you have different personalities in your teammates? And this can be good and it can be bad. One of the key things that I recommend on people is that you have to know your teammates, know the people that you work with, know what motivates them, understand. And I'll give you this little analogy, especially for the ladies on it. When you take a nice pair of shoes and you put them on, and then your girlfriend says, "Oh, let me try them on." While they may fit with you snug and nicely, it may pinch them. It may be very uncomfortable for them. So that's the same thing that I talk to you about when you're dealing with different personalities. When you talk to somebody, you got to be aware, and you remember the Myers-Briggs, the 16 personalities, which I will refer to, and I'll get you that information. It's going to be our topic this whole week. Understanding your different personalities, understanding how to motivate them and how to drive them, and how they are driven. Because if you're giving them the wrong, now I'm going to give you two examples. I was a mathematics teacher in both high school and college. I knew that certain kids understood the mathematical concepts real quick. Other ones needed different analogies. And I'll give you a specific one. I was teaching calculus. Now, with calculus, you have to understand certain concepts and statistics. And I had inner city kids, so they didn't know what the hell on certain things. But they were very good at knowing the stats for basketball, for baseball, and that. So what I did was I taught them how to use the statistics in that and say, that's how you understand your math. They said, "Well, I can't understand math." Well, if you can understand the stats in a baseball or in basketball and you can rattle them off, you can apply that learned knowledge to actually math. It's mathematics. They said, "Oh, wow, Mr. F, I didn't know that. Wow, that's good." And see, they learned it. So that's the same thing I would recommend. You take something and you modify it to help them understand it in their perception, not in yours, in their perception. Now, the second one example was more of in the soccer and baseball. You know, some people, coaches, I had coaches screaming at me. I had coaches who, were gentle and fatherly, and some of them who were nasty. Everybody's motivated. I didn't care. I wanted to win, so whatever it took. But again, you have to understand the person. So if you want a successful business and you want a successful teammates and people who work with you, then you have to understand their personalities and what drives them. And again, the shoe that fits you comfortably may pinch somebody else. Keep that in mind. To a healthy and wealthy lifestyle, see you tomorrow.